Tragic accident on ENI rig and supply ship, 1 died 2 injured, Italy. Crane collapsed on ENI's platform Barbara F, located in Adriatic Sea some 30 nm off Alcona coast, Italy, at around 0745 LT March 5. Crane broke from platform structure while hoisting gas cylinder, and fell down, crushing onto offshore supply ship at platform side, and then sliding to sea, with operator in crane's cabin. 2 crew of offshore supply ship were badly injured, and airlifted to hospital. Crane with cabin and operator trapped in it, hang on cables at some 70 meters depth. Reportedly, scuba divers already located cabin and operator's body. No information on offshore supply ship damages, ship itself wasn't identified, but according to some sources, not yet confirmed, it's ALINE B, IMO 944-0734, GT 1342, flag Italy.